Roofing and cladding systems are more than exterior finishes. They are long-term building envelopes designed to protect structures from wind, rain temperature variation, and corrosion over decades. In these systems, every single fastening point directly affects durability, safety, and maintenance cost. Roofing and cladding applications operate under demanding environmental conditions. They are continuously exposed to wind uplift, thermal expansion vibration, and long-term outdoor corrosion. Unlike primary structural connections, these systems rely on a large number of fasteners distributed across wide surface areas. Any inconsistency in drilling installation or corrosion performance can accumulate into serious system-level risks. This makes fastening not a minor detail, but a critical engineering decision in building envelope design. In many roofing and cladding projects, fastening problems do not appear immediately. They develop gradually during installation and long-term service. Common risks include poor drilling, performance through steel purlins, unstable installation torque, damaged protective coatings, and insufficient corrosion resistance in outdoor environments. Standard stainless steel screws often offer good corrosion resistance, but struggle with drilling efficiency when fixing into steel structures. This can lead to excessive installation force, broken screws, or inconsistent fixing quality. Hardened carbon steel screws may drill efficiently, but are more vulnerable to corrosion, especially in humid coastal or industrial environments. For roofing and cladding systems, neither option alone provides a complete solution. From an engineering perspective, reliable roofing and cladding fastening requires a balanced connection strategy. This strategy must address three key requirements. First, effective drilling performance when fixing steel sheets or panels to steel substructures. Second, long-term corrosion resistance to protect exposed building envelopes. Third, consistent and repeatable installation to reduce on-site variability and long-term maintenance risk. This is where fastening moves beyond a single material product and becomes an engineered solution designed to meet both installation and durability demands. FASTO approaches bridge fastening challenges through bimetal technology. The FASTO BiFix system combines two materials into one engineered fastener. The head and body are manufactured from Austin IC stainless steel, providing excellent corrosion resistance in exposed environments. The drilling point is made from hardened steel, engineered to deliver high drilling efficiency and stable performance during installation. These two materials are joined through an advanced welding process, with joint strength exceeding both torsional and tensile breaking values. The result is a fastener that drills efficiently, installs consistently, and performs reliably over the long term. To further enhance durability, rustburt coating is applied to ensure galvanic compatibility and superior corrosion protection in structural applications. In bridge construction, installation efficiency directly, affects project quality and cost. FASTO bimetal fasteners are designed for one-step drilling and fastening, eliminating the need for pre-drilling. This ensures stable torque transfer, consistent installation results, and reduced risk of fastening failure caused by improper handling. By improving installation reliability, FASTO solutions help engineering teams minimize rework and improve overall construction efficiency. Reliability is not claimed, it is verified. FASTO implements comprehensive quality control throughout the entire production process. Fasteners are tested for mechanical strength, corrosion resistance, and environmental durability. Salt spray testing, Kesternick testing, and strict dimensional inspections ensure each batch meets international standards. FASTO products are certified by recognized organizations including CE, SGS, and TÜV, providing confidence for critical structural applications. In bridge steel structures, safety is built connection by connection. FASTO does not simply supply fasteners. We provide engineered fastening solutions designed for long-term structural performance. From material selection to installation, reliability and quality verification, every detail is engineered with purpose. FASTO, engineered for reliable connections.